So hi everybody, I am Dr. Mahima Bakshi. I am a maternal child wellness consultant at Asian Hospitals, and I have with me today a wonderful guest, Dr. Gunjan Bhola.
Hi, thank you Mahima for such a wonderful introduction. I am Dr. Gunjan Bhola. I am working as a senior consultant in Asian Hospital, Faridabad, and today we are going to discuss childbirth. It's one topic I think many people have a fear in their mind, or they don't want to discuss it further, or there is an apprehension with the patients also and with the doctor also. They have so many questions, so I think with this discussion they might get an ease with it.
Yes, absolutely, and especially when pregnant women enter their third trimester and they start thinking about the whole journey of childbirth. How is it going to be? Is it going to be very painful? So there are so many questions that keep popping up in the mind. So we want to put across all the right kind of information to you through this session and through our antenatal classes, so that we can help you prepare for childbirth. So ma'am, before we start with the discussion about natural delivery and childbirth, please tell us about what are the different ways of delivery.
So the different ways of deliveries, I think, which is commonly termed as normal delivery and cesarean. These are a brief, I would say, division. But normal delivery also is different kinds. एक normal vaginal delivery है, another one is like a forceps delivery or a vacuum delivery. And even patients who have previous cesarean sections, they can also have a vaginal birth. So we say VBAC, vaginal birth after cesarean sections. Cesarean sections are also emergency and elective cesarean sections. So there are other kinds also which are available.
Right, and ma'am, also what is painless labor?
So painless labor is as lucrative it sounds. Painless labor does not mean that the patient is not going to have zero pain. It basically means the pain, the sensation that pain develops in the active stage of labor is actually decreased, or with medicines and with the support of antenatal classes and with the support of caring partner. I would say it can be your husband, it can be anyone who you are close to, makes a difference. So painless delivery is basically, if we go by, it's an epidural delivery, and it has to be given during the time when you are in the active phase of labor, and should be decided by your doctor whether you are a suitable candidate for it or you need to wait for it for a longer time.
Right. And ma'am, when we talk about preparing for childbirth, like you just mentioned, having a supportive partner can play a major role, antenatal classes can play a major role. When do you think is the right time in pregnancy for couples to start preparing for childbirth, and how can they do that?
I think it should not be the usual concept I think people have about childbirth is that they should start preparing in the last month or as early as 6 or 7 months. It should be like, I had a very amazing couple, and I think people are so much aware. Usually I get a patient who says, I am pregnant. It was the first time I actually heard we are pregnant. And it was such a sweet gesture from the husband, because I think your classes or your diet and everything should start from the day once you conceive, because everything is going to change in your life. So you need to have a healthy lifestyle, you need to be on regular exercise, and it should not be like कि आपको pregnancy हो गया तो you need bed rest, आप लेटे रहो, you are not allowed to move around. It's a joyful experience and it should be viewed as a joy. It should not be like अब मैं ये कपड़े नहीं पहन सकती, I cannot wear this, how will I get back into shape? These are the few apprehensions that need to be overcome with the patients.
Yes, absolutely, very well said that आपको पूरी प्रेगनेंसी में अपना ध्यान रखना है, अपने अपनी बॉडी को प्रिपेयर करना है, अपने आप को मेंटली प्रिपेयर करना है और कोशिश करना है कि आप एक हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल फॉलो करें, ताकि बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेगनेंसी रिलेटेड आपको कॉम्प्लिकेशंस ना डेवलप हो, सो दैट पूरा आपका जो एक फिजिकल जर्नी है चाइल्ड बर्थ प्रोसेस के लिए, वो आपका जर्नी स्मूथ रहे. सो मैम, अब बात करते हैं हॉस्पिटल बैग लिस्ट की. अक्सर व्हेन पेशेंट्स हैव टू गो टू द हॉस्पिटल फॉर द डिलीवरी, दे आर वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड कि हमें हॉस्पिटल बैग में क्या रखना चाहिए, क्या नहीं, क्या शॉपिंग करनी चाहिए, क्या कैरी करना चाहिए. तो कुछ इस तरह की आप टिप्स दे सकें कि कपल्स क्या कुछ चीजें अपने हॉस्पिटल बैग में कैरी कर सकते हैं?
I think first and foremost, there should be a bag जिसमें आपके सारे papers होने चाहिए. Your all ultrasound scans, your investigations, and all the tests and all the reports of your doctor should be in one bag. That should be one thing. That should be one bag. The other bag should have mother ke, because in our hospital we give them dresses and everything during the time they are in hospital. So they only need sanitary napkins and undergarments for the mother, and for baby we need head to toe sab kapde, because there is a temperature variation in hospital also and baby is so fragile, so इसलिए it's required कि आप head to toe सारी चीजें उसकी लेके रखें, including the sheets and including the diapers, which should be in your bag. There is no need to get fussy about कौन सा talc लेना है, कौन सा lotion लेना है, because that's a secondary concern, and I think pediatrician will be able to guide you more कि बच्चे के लिए कौन सी चीज और कब से लेना शुरू करना है. So these are the basic necessities that you need to carry along with your bag.
सो आई थिंक जब शॉपिंग करने की बारी आती है तो वहीं से ही एक एक्साइटमेंट शुरू हो जाती है, सोच के कि द बेबी इज गोइंग टू अराइव इनटू द फैमिली, चाइल्ड बर्थ प्रोसेस के लिए हम तैयारी कर रहे हैं. सो आई थिंक कि वो भी एक बहुत खूबसूरत पार्ट है चाइल्ड बर्थ प्रिपरेशन का, कि आप किस तरह से अपने बैग को प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, आप अपनी शॉपिंग लिस्ट प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं. तो आई थिंक वो भी जरूरी है कि हस्बैंड अपना इक्वल पार्टिसिपेशन दिखाएं. अगर लिस्ट प्रिपेयर करनी है, बैग प्रिपेयर करनी है, तो हस्बैंड्स वहीं से ही एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व होना स्टार्ट हो जाए. आई थिंक वो भी बहुत जरूरी है.
Yes, it's very important. Especially I see many pregnant patients, और पहले भी ऐसे होता था कि they never used to buy new clothes. ये दोबारा किस काम आएंगे? But now the trends are changing, and I think it's very important that not only to feel beautiful inside, but to look beautiful outside also. And everything matters, because the personal hygiene and the glow that you get during pregnancy, it increases with a positive environment around. तो आप अच्छा खाइए, अच्छा सोचिए, अच्छा पहनिए, और अपने आप को हेल्दी की तरह से प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ फॉर अ चाइल्ड बर्थ.
राइट. और मैम अब बात करते हैं एंटीनेटल क्लासेस के बारे में. हम लोगों का रेगुलर एंटीनेटल क्लासेस प्रोग्राम भी एक स्टार्ट हुआ है, जो कि हम हर सैटरडे एंटीनेटल क्लासेस करा रहे हैं. सो मैम, स्पेसिफिकली टॉकिंग अबाउट एंटीनेटल क्लासेस, आपका रिकमेंडेशन क्या है कि हाउ डज इट हेल्प अ कपल फॉर चाइल्ड बर्थ प्रिपरेशन?
See, as we were discussing about childbirth, there is known as unprogrammed childbirth or unprepared childbirth and a prepared childbirth. So what exactly is a prepared childbirth? Prepared childbirth is कि आपको पता है क्या होगा, what are the exercises you need to do so you can have a healthy natural delivery, or what are the apprehensions that are already allayed, वो सब हो जाती हैं. उससे क्या है कि it has been reported कि incidence of pain ड्यूरिंग नेचुरल लेबर के, और जो साथ में एनाल्जेसिक्स की नीड और बाकी और पेन किलर्स की और जरूरत इन लेबर, ये सब चीजें कम हो जाती हैं. द रिक्वायरमेंट आर लेस, द इंसिडेंस ऑफ फोर्सिव डिलीवरी इज लेस, एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पोस्टपार्टम डिप्रेशन इज लेस इन फीमेल्स जिनके अंदर आप पहले काउंसल्ड हैं, आपको पता है क्या होना है. बिकॉज फियर इज अ मेजर पार्ट, स्पेशली फियर ऑफ अननोन कि होगा क्या. That goes off with a good antenatal class जहाँ पे आपको डाइट भी बताई जा रही है, आपको एक्सरसाइजेस भी बताई जा रही हैं. You get an expert opinion from your obstetrician also. Plus the neonatologist is also there, जो आपको बाद में बेबी से रिलेटेड क्या चीजें हो सकती हैं, what are the needs you need to be watchful of, and what are the kind of preparation you need for a baby. वो आपको प्रिपरेशन अगर पहले मिल जाए, then obviously prepared childbirth will be way more better than an unprepared one.
Absolutely, I also totally agree, and that's why we want ki through our antenatal classes we get more and more pregnant women to get prepared for childbirth, to get rid of the fear, to learn more about what happens during the process of labor and how they can help their body to make themselves comfortable during labor. So don't forget to attend our antenatal classes. And ma'am, any takeaway message audience?
It's a good opportunity, and it's good we can get a antenatal class here in Faridabad, and we should avail it, and we should have the maximum utilization of it. And I would suggest you should watch it with your husband or your partner who is going to help you during the childbirth, because you need to know many things, and अगर कुछ चीज आप भूल जाएं तो आपका husband आपको बता देंगे. So that will help you so much in this process.
Great. So thank you so much, ma'am. It was lovely sharing all these good information with our audience. And don't forget to like and share our video if you like what we've shared today. So hoping to see you all for our antenatal classes.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.